Exploring the world's largest sports stadiums can be an exciting journey, as these structures often represent the pinnacle of sports architecture and engineering. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Here are some of the largest sports stadiums around the world. Number 1. Rungredo 1st of May Stadium, North Korea. Rungredo 1st of May Stadium, situated in the capital city of Pyongyang, North Korea, is a colossal sporting facility that stands as one of the largest stadiums in the world. With a remarkable seating capacity of around 114,000 spectators, the stadium is primarily utilized for soccer matches and athletics events. Its construction was completed in 1989, and the sheer scale of the structure is a testament to the ambitious architectural projects undertaken by the North Korean government. The stadium's name, Rungredo, refers to the date of its completion, while 1st of May commemorates International Workers' Day. Number 2. Melbourne Cricket Ground, Australia. The Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, nestled in the heart of Melbourne, Australia, is a renowned sporting and cultural icon that has left an indelible mark on the nation's history. Boasting a colossal seating capacity of around 100,024 spectators, the MCG is the largest stadium in the Southern Hemisphere and one of the world's premier cricket venues. Constructed in 1853, the stadium has undergone various renovations, transforming it into a multifunctional facility that hosts not only cricket, but also Australian rules football, soccer, and major cultural events. Number 3. FNB Stadium, South Africa. The FNB Stadium, situated in Johannesburg, South Africa, holds a special place in the hearts of sports enthusiasts and is an emblem of the country's rich sporting history. Also known as Soccer City, the stadium underwent a significant redesign for the 2010 FIFA World Cup, where it played a central role in hosting the tournament's opening ceremony and the final match. With a seating capacity of approximately 94,736 spectators, the FNB Stadium stands as the largest stadium in Africa. Its distinctive design, characterized by the calabash or African pot shape, reflects the nation's cultural heritage. Number 4. Rose Bowl, United States. The Rose Bowl, situated in Pasadena, California, is an iconic American sports venue steeped in tradition and history. Completed in 1922, the stadium is renowned for its distinctive architecture and scenic backdrop of the San Gabriel Mountains. With a seating capacity of around 88,565 spectators, the Rose Bowl is primarily known as the home of the annual Rose Bowl game, one of the oldest and most prestigious college football bowl games. Beyond football, the stadium has hosted 5 Super Bowls, Olympic events during the 1984 Summer Games, and numerous concerts. Its status as a National Historic Landmark and its association with significant sporting and cultural events underscore its importance in the American sports landscape. Number 5. Camp Nou, Spain. With a colossal seating capacity of around 99,354 spectators, it stands as the largest stadium in Spain and Europe. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.